Hello everyone! Appointment day namin ngayon sa Troy Ariel Mundo Bone Center Clinic, which is located sa Barangay Lagundi, Morong, Rizal. Landmark nila is in Charis store, pero tarpaulins were posted along the street na rin to guide you how to get there. Siguro 1 to 2 hours yung travel time if galing kang Metro Manila, pero mas makakatipid if kasama mo yung buong tropa. So, second time na namin magpa-appointment kay Sir Troy after a few months since masakit na ulit ang aming mga katawan. Kailangan natin ulit magpa-bone setting. Very spacious yung clinic ni Sir Troy. Meron silang magandang view if you're still waiting for your turn kung may naunang client. And parking slot is also provided para sa mga patients. So, hassle-free talaga. Malinis yung buong clinic, meron silang CR and couch if ever may kasama ka during therapy session. Tapos, assessment will be conducted first para malaman if ano talaga yung iniinda mo sa katawan. So, ito yung mga satisfying clips. Enjoy! Kaya kung masakit din yung katawan nyo guys, baka kailangan nyo na rin magpa-bone setting. Kung gusto nyo rin magpa-appointment guys, please check out their Facebook page. Meron na rin silang clinic dito sa Rotary Club along Mother Ignacia Street sa Quezon City. Ayun lang, thanks for watching. Bye-bye!